what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's new video, we're gonna be learning a TikTok dance. But before we get into the video, if you guys happen to like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also be sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to start this TikTok dance, you're gonna have one foot in front. You can either have your left foot or your right foot. I'm gonna have my left foot in front. And this first part, you're gonna be moving your hips. Okay, so you're gonna do a little hip, and my hips are going from left to right. So I pick my left hip up and then bring it down to my right. So you're gonna do a little hip, small little hip, and then drop. So little hip, drop, little hip, drop, little hip, drop. One more, little hip, drop. So little hip, big hip, little hip, big hip, little hip, big hip, little hip, big hip. So the counts are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Again. Now, reminder, you can have your right foot in front and you could be doing your hips from right to left, but I prefer doing it from left to right. So whatever you want to do, you do that. So let's try it again. Ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And it's kind of fast, so keep practicing that part. Let's do it again. Ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. One more time, a bit faster. Ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. From here, you're gonna cross your feet over. So my right foot is gonna go over my left. So you're gonna go cross. Now, you could have your left foot cross over your right, but I'm gonna cross my right foot over my left. So we're gonna go cross. So right foot's in front of our left, and then we bring it out. So again, we just finished the hips. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now cross, and then bring it out. So we just finished the hips. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Cross out, and then you're gonna kick your right foot in the corner. So you kind of do a diagonal. I'm kicking it to my left corner. So right foot kick, kicking it to my left. And the counts are, so we just finished the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So kick that right foot or left, and then bring it back out. So it goes cross, out, kick, out. I'm crossing my right foot in front of my left, bringing both feet out, and then kicking my right foot, then bring it back out. Okay? So it goes from the top. Ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. You do the same thing on the opposite side. Now I'm going to cross my left foot over my right. Cross, out, and then I'm going to kick my left foot to the right corner, kick. So we cross, bring it out, kick, kicking to my left, and then I bring it back out. So let's go from where we just finished the hips, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, here we go, 5 and 6, out, cross, out, kick. So I start with my right, cross over, bring it out, kick with my right foot, out, then I cross left, bring it out, kick with the left, then bring it back out. So again, going from the top, 5, 6, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So that beginning part is kind of fast, so we'll try it again. So going from the top, a little bit faster. Here we go. 5, 6, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. A couple more times from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. One more time, then we'll move on. Add more on. Here we go. And 5, 6. Ready, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Okay, moving on. We only have one more count of 8 left to go in the dance, and then we're done. And this part is a little bit more slow and relaxed, so you can take it easy here. So I'm going to use my left hand, and it's going across my head. I go from front to back, touching my hair, and I'm going to kind of lean to my right. Left hand, leaning over to my right. So 1, and then we're going to do the same thing, opposite side, using my right hand now, and I'm leaning to my left. So we go 1, 2. So bring it from front to back, front to back. Leaning to my right with my left hand, and then right hand leaning to my left. So 1, 2. Good. And then the next part, our arms are going to cross. Arms are up here on your shoulders, then bring it down. So it goes 1, 2, 3. So hands are crossed, hands are right around your shoulders, and then you bring it down. So again, going from the 1, 2. Ready, and 1, 2, 3. Next part, I'm going to use my left hand. Left hand's going to I'm going to bring my hand down, left hand, and then right hand. So they're going to be on top of each other. Left hand, right hand. So again, left hand, right hand. Now that's one option. If you don't want to flick your hand down, you can just bring it hand flat, 1, 2. Okay? And make sure you have them crossed have them on top of each other. Doesn't matter which hand is on top, but just have it flat. 1, 2. Okay? Or go option 1, 1, 2. Whatever you prefer. So going from this part, hand on our hair, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and the next part, you're going to lift I'm lifting up my right hip up. So it goes 4 and 5. Or option 2, 4 and 5. So flat hands or bring your hand down slightly, whatever you prefer. So going from the second count of 8 from the top, 1, 2. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Last part, I'm going to use my left hand, have my thumbs up, and then my right hand, thumb up. And your thumbs are facing each other. So we go 4 and 5, left hand, right hand, and then lift the arms up. So left hand, right hand, thumbs are facing each other. We lift it up afterwards. So 6, 7, 8. Those are the counts. Left hand, right hand, arms come up. Again, left hand, right hand, arms come up. One more time. Left hand, right hand, up. Counts are 6, 7, 8. So let's go from the 1, 2. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So just a reminder, for this part, I'm using my left hand and then the right hand. And I'm leaning over to my right, and then I'm leaning to my left. So left hand, right hand, cross arms and shoulders, come down, left, right, picking up my right hip, and then left hand, right hand, arms come up. And that is the whole TikTok dance. So let's take it slow from the top. Nice and slow. 5, 6, here we go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, again, a little bit faster from the top. 5, 6, ready, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, here we go. 5, 6, ready, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we're gonna do it 2 more times. First time we're gonna do it, I'm gonna face the back. Then the last time we're gonna do it, I'm gonna face the front. Okay, get yourself ready from the top. And 5, 6, here we go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, last time, let's give it our all. Full out, lots of energy. We're gonna do it fast, okay? 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. If you want to see this dance with the music, make sure to check out the link below. And if you guys liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.